When people search for PrimeAscendWay reviews, they usually want to know one thing first: what kind of platform is it really? PrimeAscendWay is presented as a financial education platform built for users who want to understand markets in a clearer way. Instead of throwing beginners straight into complex terms, charts, and fast-moving information, the platform focuses on learning, structure, and simple explanations. For new users, this can make a big difference. Financial markets can feel confusing at the start. There are terms like volatility, liquidity, leverage, market trends, risk control, and asset movement. Without a basic understanding, it is easy to feel lost or make decisions too quickly. That is where a platform like PrimeAscendWay aims to help. User reviews often focus on practical points: how easy the platform is to navigate, whether the educational material is clear, how account tools are organized, and whether users can find support when they need guidance. A strong financial education platform should help users slow down, learn the basics, and understand why market decisions require planning. PrimeAscendWay appears to focus on the learning-first approach. Users can explore trading education, finance basics, market insights, and tools that support a more structured learning routine. Of course, education does not remove risk. Learning about markets does not guarantee results. Prices can move because of news, timing, volatility, liquidity, or wider economic conditions. That is why risk awareness is one of the most important parts of any trading-related education. When reading PrimeAscendWay reviews, it is better to look for details instead of quick opinions. Does the platform explain topics clearly? Is it beginner-friendly? Are tools easy to find? Is support visible? Does it help users understand risk? These are the points that matter most. Overall, PrimeAscendWay is best understood as a financial education platform for users who want to build knowledge before making decisions. If you are researching PrimeAscendWay reviews, focus on clarity, education, platform structure, and realistic expectations. Learn first. Review the details. Then decide what fits your goals.